Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need the basics set before diving in. Confirm your Outlook version and whether the account is Exchange or a map so fixes match the server. Once done, restart Outlook and toggle work offline to force a reconnection. This often resolves sync stalls. Next, clear the local cache via File, Options, Advanced, Offline Folder File Settings. Make sure to compact afterward. These first actions address the most common causes, so proceed only when you see fresh server timestamps or sync activity. Once the basics didn't fix the issue, move into deeper diagnostics. Disable add-ins and restart Outlook in safe mode to see if an extension blocks calendar sync. If that helps, re-enable one at a time to find the culprit. For Exchange, use Account Settings Repair. For a map/pop, recreate the profile to reset sync metadata. If entries are missing or errors indicate corruption, run the inbox repair tool, Scampst exe, on your PSD/OSD. This repairs header and folder and finish by rebuilding the cache. Toggle cached Exchange mode off and back on, then allow Outlook to download the full mailbox. This reconstructs calendar indexes. Verify shared calendars and delegate permissions. Sometimes a permissions mismatch hides events, so reshare or re-add calendars if needed. If problems persist, reproduce the error, note exact timestamps and error messages, then test Outlook Web Access to isolate client versus server. One troubleshooting tip: always check the server/web interface first. If the web calendar shows correctly, the issue is local to your Outlook client.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.